Hello everyone, I am Debashish Ganguly from University of Pittsburgh. This paper explores a framework for adaptive page migration and pinning to reduce memory thrashing of oversubscribed data-intensive irregular applications executing on a CPU-GPU heterogeneous memory system. Today, CPU-GPU heterogeneous systems are ubiquitous in supercomputers and data centers alike. These systems provide high bandwidth and low latency between the non-uniform memory access pools attached to the discrete processors by layering coherence protocols on top of physical link technologies such as NVLink, Hypertransport, or QPI. With ever-increasing memory demand by general-purpose applications, working set no longer fits in device near memory and spills over to host memory. For applications with irregular memory accesses, oversubscribing device memory becomes a major performance bottleneck due to large thrashing of pages between device and host memories. To understand this problem, we analyzed memory access patterns of a set of irregular applications. For example, the working set of SSSP, an irregular application, clearly comprises of two distinct types of data structures, one with dense sequential access and the other with sporadic random access. From analyzing the histogram of access frequency, we can also see that memory pages with sequential access have comparatively higher access frequency than the memory pages with random sporadic access. This means sporadic random access to large irregular data structure can cause eviction of memory pages corresponding to hot data structures. An effective solution to address memory oversubscription has two high-level objectives. First, to migrate and pin hot pages with sequential access in device memory, and second, pin cold pages in host memory and access remotely. To fulfill these objectives, latest CPU-GPU systems have introduced delayed page migration based on access counter threshold. Memory pages are pinned on host memory and accessed directly by GPU till the access frequency crosses the configured static threshold. After crossing the access counter threshold or on write access, pages are migrated from the host to the device memory. However, the optimal value of static access counter threshold depends on application characteristics and working set, and thus is hard to determine. We extend the delayed page migration mechanism by introducing a framework that adaptively determines a dynamic migration threshold. Dynamic access counter threshold TD is determined based on the static threshold TS, a migration penalty P, and the number of times a page is evicted or R. Here TS and P are determined as 8 and 2 respectively based on sensitivity studies and set system-wide as parameter to device driver module. Unlike per page counters in static threshold-based framework, our framework maintains a 32-bit counter per 64 kilobyte, as this is the granularity for software prefetching. Lower 27 bits maintains access frequency and higher order 5-bit keeps track of R or number of round trips or eviction. This equation has two parts which will be explained independently in the next two slides. Before oversubscription, the framework trades between fast touch migration and static threshold-based delayed migration. Dynamic threshold grows based on memory occupancy. For example, assuming static threshold is configured as 8, between 0 to 12% device memory occupancy, dynamic threshold is calculated as 1, and thus on every first touch, pages are migrated from host to device memory. Similarly, as 87.5% of device memory is populated, dynamic threshold is calculated as 8, which means after 8th touch to a page, memory is migrated. Under oversubscription, it is much harder to migrate any page from the host to device memory due to the multiplicative penalty P. First of all, our framework prioritizes cold and read-only pages over hot and dirty pages for eviction. Thus, it employs a counter-based LFU page replacement policy. Second, calculation of dynamic threshold takes into consideration how many times a page is evicted in the past. For example, with TS equals 8 and P equals 2, if a requested page is already evicted twice, then it will take 48 reads before it can be migrated from host to device memory. This means more a page is thrashed, harder it is pinned in the host memory. We compared performance of our framework with fast touch based migration and static threshold based delayed migration. Experimental evaluation shows that while the framework does not impact the regular applications, it improves performance of irregular applications by 22 to 78%. Our adaptive framework extends the current hardware and software infrastructure and builds on generic concepts like direct remote access and delayed page migration. Thus, it does not incur any additional implementation and performance overhead, while being vendor agnostic and transparent to application programmers. The simulated framework is published on GitHub for future collaboration. Thank you.